One Biafra Liberation Army don't talk say Nigeria Army are currently flying drone in Olo where they are in the bush and they are waiting for them strongly. Things are really happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel so that you don't go to miss our update back to back anytime we upload. As you subscribe, make sure say you turn your notification bell for a quick update. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news wey we get for hand today for our table here. Yafu dey wait. As we dey waka dey go now, we come hear say one Biafra Liberation Army wey dey for inside Olo, e dey talk say they dey for Sumoho say the place where they dey na say Nigeria Army or Air Force are flying their drone all over, which we are going to play you the video. May you hear am by own mouth as in the talk am. Oya, wait, may you watch the video.
Good evening, wonderful people. People of Biafra. It is amazing today. Having loose in Okigwe, Nigeria terrorist group, having loose in Okigwe today. They are busy flying drone up today, yeah. They are flying drone this night. And this drone that have been flying, no result. They are here flying drone, disturbing the peace of the night. I wish they will come tomorrow, because the ground of Biafra have already opened their mouth waiting to swallow them. That is just what make me come online this very evening to update you that they are flying drone in Olu. Right now, as I'm talking to you, drone is flying. I don't know what thing they want to see. But that belly where they carry, then go put to bed tomorrow. Yeah, we are expecting them anyway. I will keep updating you. Today is a very great day. Victory to us, and victory will remain forever. Good evening once again.
As I have watched that video and hear am when they talk am, this one dey happen for Olo for where they call Osumohi, according to the Biafra Liberation Army, say that they fly drone all over for their territory. No be small thing, no. Mo will go ahead and go and watch the next video concerning wetin happen for Okigwe today, and now the same guy will be this Biafra Liberation Army. And I see talk this one again. I want me you listen, hear wetin talk for this particular video.
If you fail to do your own, you will have yourself to be blamed. But we promise you that we will never fail to do our own, because we were born to do this. At the end, Biafra must be restored. Nobody can stop it. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Okay? You can never defeat us in the land of our ancestors. So, the promise we make, and we can never go back. We can never retrieve. We can never surrender until we achieve that which we were sent to this war to achieve. And that is Biafra. Whether you like it or you do not like it, Biafra must be restored in our time. We are not begging you. We are not begging Nigeria. We are not begging Britain. We are not begging anybody to give us Biafra. We are not begging. Yes. It is a command. And do you know what the command is? The same command Moses gave to Pharaoh Pharaoh, let my people go. It's the same command. It's the same command. It's the same command. Namudi Kanu tell Nigeria, let my people go. It is not a pleading, it is a command. Whether you like it or not, we must leave. At the end, you'll be the one to beg us, say, okay, you are free to go. What and what do you want me to give you? And you had many things for us to go with, to go alongside with it, with this freedom. You don't know what is to come. I've told you, what we are doing now is just steaming the car. We are not yet moved. We just on the car and the car is steaming. We are only steaming the car. When we start the movement, you will feel the vibration. And as I say, fasten your seatbelt because we can move at any moment. We can move at any moment. Fasten your seatbelt as we are about to move. Igbo politician, from the governor to the least, I hope you are prepared for this dance. Because we will dance a Gede dance with you. And you know what it means. The dance of the spirit. I hope you are prepared. All your friends and your terrorist friends call Nigeria army and all the forces you bring to the land, ask them how far now. They will tell you that these men are not men made by human. These men are not men prepared by human. These men, this very breed of Biafra, this very set of Biafrans, this very ESL and BLA and BLF are prepared by Chuko Kikabiama, by Chuko Kikabiama himself. And you cannot stop us. By the time we are done with you, you will wish that you never start what you cannot finish. As I said before, that I do not, intend to prolong this broadcast. I only come here to ask you or to, ask you to help me ask Nigeria government how far in Okigwe. Because they do not understand that this very land whom God have given to our ancestors, that hand over to our great-grandfather, that hand over to our grandfather, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. We must hand over this land of Biafra in a good shape to our children. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, and without the presence of Britain in it. And our children and children unborn will enjoy this very land of Biafra in peace and harmony. It is a promise we make for them. Here is the lands of our ancestors, and we go nowhere. Any death that come in will die. Anybody that come to fight us in our land will die. Anybody will leave our land to go and fight them, they will see die. It does not matter anyhow where they take come. Anyhow where they take come, they must die. Whether they come by air, they must die. Then come on foot, they must die. Then come on the sea, they must die. Then come with juju, they will die. Then come as woman, they will die. Then come as man, they will die. Anyhow where they take come, their end is here in the land of Biafra because they must die. At the end, Biafra must emerge. I salute you, General Gentle, for your courage. I salute you. Carry on. Carry on. We are here waiting for them. Carry on. I salute all of you, my fellow Congress. I salute you, the supporters of freedom. God bless you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless you, our great Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. God bless you, all my fellow freedom fighters. God bless you, my fellow Congress. God bless you, each and every one of you that have been supporting this great work. God bless you, and God bless Biafra. From me, from the battlefield in Osumowo, it is good evening.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, things are really happening as we are speaking in Okigwe and in Olo in Imo State. This one no be small thing, no. My people, I want you to contribute for this matter and more talk about am for comment section. Anything wey you get to talk, may you talk. If you support wetin they do, may you write say you support am. If you get agreement wey you wan make, may you still drop am, more talk about am for comment section. We go see you for the next update. Stay tuned.